Hi guys, so this is my analysis on LITECOIN. If you watched my previous analysis on LITECOIN, I said I was expecting LITECOIN, we're on a downtrend, and I said I was expecting LITECOIN to at least push to this level right here. And let me just recap on what I said, my reason why I was expecting LITECOIN to push to at least this level right here. And my reasons, because let me zoom in. We can see there was a break of structure around this area right here. There was a break of structure, so we are expecting a possible retest on the trend line to see if we'll continue to push downwards. Like I used to say, no one knows the market 100%, and we are just predicting. It doesn't have to go exactly the way we want it. I'm just predicting based on my own strategy. So I said because there was a break of structure around this level, so there's a possibility it might push up right here to retest this trend line, and there are a lot of confluences around that trend line as well. We can see a possible trend line retest at that level right there. There is another block, and also there is an imbalance right there, and that also aligns with my 88.6% fib level or zone. So that's why I said there's a possibility we might get there and reject off that level before we move down. So those are the confluences I saw that it might happen. So and we can see right here, I think the last time I did it, it was around this level right here, and I said it might come to this level. So now that I'm still thinking it might come to that level, but we can see let me delete this one. So let me do the current price action right now. So what are we seeing right now? We are seeing a lot of break of structure around this level. Let me delete this one. A break of structure around this level. So I'm seeing that there was a break of structure around this trend line, and it's retesting of this trend line. So I'm seeing the possibility that it may push up to this trend line right here. So we have a first touch, a second touch, and a possible third touch before we continue upwards. Look at that direction. That's a possibility I'm seeing. Or we might just continue to push down to my overall direction right here, which is around 15, my negative 27% fib level right here. Then we might now continue to push up. So those are the possibilities I'm saying, but we have to take it one step at a time. So the current price right now is, we can see there was a break of structure, and we're seeing a retest around this level. Let me zoom in more to see that we are seeing rejections on that. So that's a higher chance that I'm seeing rejections at this trend line. So that's a higher chance that it's bouncing off of this trend line. So we might see a possible sell on that. Let me use my trend line, my fib level, to just see. Okay. So this is the current thing I'm seeing right now, and we are seeing right here that is bouncing off this level. So there's a possibility that we're going to push to the downside to get to my, if you've been watching my video, you know majority of the time my target is around my negative 27% level, fib level, and we can see that perfectly aligns with the trend line as well. So that's what I'm expecting right now, to be honest. A rejection around this level, or we might just push a little bit more to my deeper retracement level that I like, 88.6% and or 78.6% level. Those are my deep levels that I like. So we might just get there, but we can see it's at the range of 61.8% fib level, which is also a significant zone as well. And I'm seeing more of like a pattern as of this moment. We are seeing more of like the M pattern right now, which is a double top, and that's a possibility that we might reverse off that level. That's a possibility, or we might still push up a little bit to this target right here. Then we might start going downwards, like I said. So let's just say maybe like this, then going downwards to this level. Let me change the color. Okay, to this level right here. So that's a possibility. Okay, so we can finally maybe have our first touch, like I said, second touch, and a possible third touch to now push it upwards to where I think it might go to. Those are like the first scenario. And my second scenario, you can see I'm still targeting right at this level right here, because the major structure, this is the major structure of my fib level, which is negative 27% level. So I'm still hoping it might get to this level. So there's a possibility if we break out of this trend line right here and we test the trend line and I see a lot of rejection and more of a bearish momentum, there's a possibility that we start going down to at least this level right here. So let me just draw the scenario to think. So if we push downwards, right, retest it, there's a possibility we can get to this right here. So that's what, and we can see right here there's an, it's also aligns a bit with there's an imbalance, a monthly imbalance around that area as well. So we might just get to this level right here, probably weak out of this level to fill in the monthly imbalance before we continue to push down. So that's a possibility I am looking into on LITECOIN. So that's my thought on LITECOIN. And in case if we break out of this zone right here, if we break out of it, then we might just continue to push up and fulfill the imbalances at the right here, right, which is the trend line right here, that we are still expecting it might touch and reject off this trend line right here. So those are my possibilities. That's what I'm seeing right now. So right now, yeah. So hope this is insightful, guys, and if you like my video, please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next analysis. Thank you.